Today is my guest lecture, and I have been invited to Windward University, which was my former university, once again to speak on a topic. And the session will be online, but it's always a pleasure to revisit your university. Lots and lots of query was coming that we are sitting for the interview, whatever questions they're asking us, we are answering them, but still we're not getting selected in the final list. What is the reason behind it? The reason is whatever you are. Okay, so that guest lecture was amazing. It was always great to interact with your students, your previous university students, and today I got a chance to interact with them. So it was amazing, and it's all done. I feel so nice doing that. And वैसे भी आज मेरे कॉलेज की छुट्टी थी, जहाँ पे मैं अभी पढ़ाती हूँ, तो वहाँ छुट्टी थी. तो that was the brownie point. The reason why I chose to wear sari, because right after my guest lecture I have to attend an event, and for that I need to have a get up. But before going to that event, I want to show you one lovely look that's basically a Nepali jewelry, and I want to show you all. And it looks, by the way, I need to go because Shera is calling me. Since morning I was sitting on my setup and I was not able to give him time, so that is why I've just locked him inside the room, and this is the reason why he's barking so much. So I need to go now. Since I was going out for some event and I was wearing sari, so I thought of sharing this lovely Nepali jewelry with you all. This is Charki Tilhari. Charki means diagonal and Tilhari is this beautiful pendant right here. This is basically, it is of gold, for Nepali bride, but this is not gold, this is gold plated. So yeah, this is Charke Tilari, and if you're wearing Charke Tilari, this makes your look complete. It's like a complete look. Look how beautiful this is looking, this Charke Tilari, and I wanted you all to see it. So I was wearing sari and I thought that let's just show something different to you all, and this is something which I love. Absolutely love. आप कुछ नहीं पहनो, आप बस छड़के तिलरी पहन लो, and it will complete your entire look. After the session and everything, it's time to cook the lunch because since morning I was busy with preparing my guest lectures, so now I have not prepared the lunch, and it's time for my husband to come home. Best part is कि आज छुट्टी है मेरी. This is the best part of being an academician, आपको अच्छी खासी लीव मिल जाती है. Yeah. So आज मेरी तो छुट्टी है, but my husband has his office and I have to prepare lunch for him, जो कि मैंने अभी तक नहीं बनाया है. So we'll making दाल चावल and सब्जी में बनेगी भिंडी. You can see I apply all the shortcuts. Being a working professional, आपको ज़्यादा time नहीं मिलता to make recipes. But I would have made something nice today, but आज लेक्चर की वजह से थोड़ा सा टाइम लग गया. तो for that we'll make simple food, that is dal chawal, universal lunch for Indians. Dal chawal and bhindi ki sabzi. My husband doesn't like bhindi ki sabzi, but I love bhindi ki sabzi, and I was craving for it for so long. So yeah, bhindi ki sabzi is a must today. Adding some hing to it. थोड़ा सा हींग डाल दीजिए, then आप थोड़ा सा ज़ीरा डाल दीजिए. ज़ीरा डालने के बाद I like to have more. Then you put some chilies. Chilies makes it fat. Then इसके बाद नहीं, मतलब थोड़ी देर बाद इससे भी थोड़ा सा पक जाएगा. फिर उसके बाद फिर आप क्या कर देंगे. I want to make dahi bhindi, but अभी ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं है. Within 30 minutes I have to prepare my lunch. दाल चावल सब्जी. तो बेस्ट पार्ट है, पहले सब्जी चढ़ा दो, एंड देन उसके बाद फिर साइड में आप दाल चावल चढ़ा दीजिए आप कुकर में ही, बिकॉज बासमती जो लाइक पानी में थोड़ा सा सोख रहे हैं, देन उसके बाद फिर ज़्यादा अच्छा बनता है. तो यार oh no, मैं वही बाजू में भूल गई. Anyways, we just figure it out. So yeah, कुकर में आप पानी के साथ चावल आप रख दो, एंड द टाइम व्हेन माय हस्बैंड विल अराइव, उससे 10 minutes पहले I am going to put it on gas. इससे आपके चावल थोड़े से पहले से अगर आप उसको 30 मिनट्स के लिए भिगा दोगे तो आपके चावल बहुत अच्छे बनते हैं, ऐसा मैंने सुना है। और सुना क्या वैसे मैंने एक्सपेरिमेंट किया है एंड इट रियली वर्क्स। आपके चावल बहुत खिले खिले एंड बिकम लॉन्ग। तो या दैट्स अ ट्रिक which you must follow. Then nothing much you have to do. हाफ कुक भिंडी में you just हाफ कुक अनियन में पूरी भिंडी इसके ऊपर से you can put I think my baby has not washed my video or whatever. Then my mother told me with dry sabzi धनिया नहीं पड़ता है. That my mother told me because I don't know what reason is, but yeah नहीं पड़ता है. So you can add just haldi and lal kashmir और this छोंका and the Kashmiri mirchi. That's all. The ingredient that you can add is basically your sabzi masala. I'm not able to get my sabzi masala. I don't know where I've kept it. So this is my sabzi masala. Kitchen king masala or sabzi masala you add to your sabzi. It makes a huge difference to it. So yeah, some sabzi masala you can add in your sabzi. Mix it well. I think I forgot to add salt to it. About salt, you should always store your salt in glass container, not in plastic container. Again, my mother told me a little bit of salt, not much. Then again, you mix everything well to mix it. You can add aloo also, but we don't add aloo to add bhindi. And in the end, जब वो बन जाएगा, you can add a little bit of lime juice or sirka. तो सबकी भिंडी और अच्छी बनेगी. Yeah, then you just hold it in a steel plate. That's all. One thing I'm going to tell you all, जब भी आप दाल बनाते हो, ancient time में, like traditional time में, what people used to do, दाल जो होती थी वो डेग में बनाते थे, open पतीला में, right? एंड जितना भी वाइट कलर का जो मैटर था वो बनने के बाद जो निकलता था, दे यूज्ड टू जस्ट रिमूव इट. बेसिकली दैट इज यूरिक एसिड एंड दैट वाज अ गुड प्रैक्टिस. बट आजकल वी कुक दाल इन अ प्रेशर कुकर. फॉर दैट हम इसमें से जो वाइट वाला पोर्शन है उसको निकाल तो पाते नहीं है. दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू बी रिमूव. इट इज़ यूरिक एसिड, जिस वजह से आपको गाउट एंड अर्थराइटिस का इशू होता है. आई विल शो यू हाउ इट इज़ डन. और यू कैन सी मैंने दाल को कुकर में चढ़ाने से पहले इसको रख दिया था बॉयल होने. सी कैन यू सी द अमाउंट ऑफ दैट वाइट लेयर? दिस इज ऑल यूरिक एसिड एंड इसको आपको रिमूव करना बहुत ज़रूरी है बिकॉज दिस यूरिक एसिड व्हेन गोइंग इनसाइड योर टमी इट इज़ ऑब्जर्व बाय द बॉडी एंड ये यूरिक एसिड आपके नीज में जाके सेटल हो जाता है, डिपॉजिट हो जाता है. फॉर दैट इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू बी रिमूव्ड. एंड हाउ यू कैन रिमूव इट? दिस इज द वे यू कैन रिमूव इट. से कितना ज़्यादा अमाउंट ऑफ यूरिक एसिड है. Earlier practice was always the best practice, to not make dal in pressure cooker. और you can make dal in पतीला, but इतना टाइम होता नहीं है, हम लोग pressure cook कर देते हैं. But you can do that so that इसका uric acid सब निकल जाए. I think I'm gonna apply chutney. Now for lunch we're having dal just done, and then we have indi sabzi. So yeah, my presentation is not too good. See, I made it a bit dirty, but it's okay because the food tastes yum. And chawal मैं तब निकालूंगी when he'll arrive. So yeah, lunch is ready.